Assalamu alaikum. Today is an exciting day because I have a new organization for you guys, which is by the name Daryeel Wellness. But before we dive in what Daryeel Wellness is about, allow me to introduce you guys to the brain behind Daryeel Wellness. And this is a journey not just for us, but for you guys also.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Zakaria Abdurrahman Muhammad. Professionally, I have a background in Bachelor of Science, majored in mathematics and minored in physics from University of Nairobi. I also have background in counseling psychology from KCA University. I'm currently pursuing Masters in Clinical Psychology at USIU Africa.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Abdurazak Maalim Ahmed, aka Tall. I'm an actor, a content creator, a casting director, and a filmmaker.
Assalamu alaikum once again. My name is Abdi Shukri Salat, but most of you guys know me as Abdi Shukri Agala from social media. Professionally, I have a background of finance and investment masters, and I'm currently pursuing masters in clinical psychology at USIU. Work experience, I've worked in the humanitarian sector for 6 years. I've also worked in the private sector, which is oil and gas, for 2 years. And I'm now currently in the trading sector for around 2 years. But my passion also lies in the mental health, and that's how I found myself here.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Munira. I'm very well known with the name Munira. I'm a counseling psychologist by profession. I have 2 years of experience, almost going to 3 years now.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rauda Ahmed Farah. I'm a psychologist. I did my degree at USIU Africa. I've worked at Madari Hospital, and I'm the co-founder of Daryeel Wellness and the vice secretary of the organization.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Khadija Abubakar. My educational and professional background are in finance and operations. I am a member of Daryeel Wellness, and I am the current secretary for the organization.
Through my work experience in this film industry, I have encountered several people facing mental health challenges, and they are struggling to get access to a professional help.
My role at Daryeel is I'm the vice president and one of the co-founders of Daryeel Wellness. My passion is in helping people, the community at large. I work on making sure that everyone I meet gets better, or I've left them in a better state than I found them.
Daryeel Wellness is an organization formed by 6 youths who are very passionate about mental health and have the well-being of the Ummah at heart.
I have been conducting mental health workshops for the last 2 years, and after seeing the need the community have for mental health services, it fueled me to form this organization by the name Daryeel, which right now I'm the founder and the current chairperson.
I came to know about Daryeel through a friend who knew about my passion for mental health and also the general well-being of the society, who is also a member of Daryeel, and we're here together making a difference within the society. My current position at Daryeel is a treasurer, finance and mimi tuko hapa.
A fun fact about me is I like sleeping, but I don't get enough sleep.
Fun fact about me is that I love the sight of books. It just makes me happy.
And a fun fact about me is I really enjoy traveling, and most of you guys in social media know me that I do a content creation around traveling, mainly locally but also outside Kenya.
Fun fact about me is I'm an adrenaline junkie.
By now, most of you guys are wondering what Daryeel Wellness is all about. Daryeel Wellness is a charitable trust that envisions a society that have access to a culturally informed professional help that caters to your well-being.
Your prosperity, our priority.